So here is our weather forecast for today. So first of all, we have 2 enhanced risk, which is very similar to yesterday. Covers about the same areas, Lubbock, and then just west of Dodge City and near Colorado Springs and Pueblo. We have 2 enhanced risks. And then we have a slight risk that covers Denver almost to Cheyenne, Dodge City, Wichita, Odessa, Wichita Falls, Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Springfield, Cape Girardeau, Jonesboro, Memphis, Clarksville, Knoxville, and Evansville, just to name a few of the larger cities. And then the other thing I want to talk about is this random little area for Massachusetts, which is also a slight risk. So if you're in Massachusetts, you also need to be prepared as well. So that's interesting. Then the other thing I want to talk about is our tornado threat and other threats. So we have a very large 2% risk that covers through near Louisville, through Clarksville, Memphis, Jonesboro, Pine Bluff, Fort Smith, Norman, Tulsa, Wichita, Denver, and Odessa. And then we have a 5% risk for Pueblo, Dodge, almost near Dodge City, Amarillo, and Lubbock. So for that, there's a 5% risk for tornadoes, so definitely need to be staying safe out there. Then we have the wind threat, which isn't too bad. We have one in Massachusetts. And then we have Knoxville, Louisville, and then most of the same areas along here. Lubbock, Amarillo. Denver, only part of Denver is in this. But still, I would be being safe around there. And then for our hail threat, we have very large hail threat, which I think is probably what prompted those enhanced risks. You have a large 30% hatched risk for Lubbock and the areas around that. And then another one that goes from Colorado Springs almost, and then just surrounds these couple of cities right here. And then our hatched risk just kind of fills the area between those. So that also includes Amarillo and Pueblo. And then the slight risk goes out to Fayetteville. And then there is a little risk for hail in Massachusetts. So that overall is our risks for today.